Hi, this is Preksha. So we've just started with our new brand called Alumni, and we have silver and gold jewelry all together. We have designer stuff kept. So this is all our silver collection, generic items, and these are all our designer items. You can have a look. So out of all these, JK has been a help to me, as I've done CAD from JK and I've learned a lot of things from them. So this has been a good experience at this exhibition. So IIJS has given me this good opportunity to exhibit here, and it has been a really great experience, and I'm getting a really good response with these jewelry. So yeah, thanks to JK as well.